Friends, welcome. Let's look at how to save a web publication. After designing your websites and doing all this and that, how do you save them? For information of packaging your website, what are those procedures that you have to follow while trying to save your website? Or how do we save that website? Onto our usual ways of doing things, you can just rush into Microsoft Office, then Publisher, which is Microsoft Publisher. You can use any version. You'll not be restricted on 2007. You can use 2021 and other types that are available. The procedures are really the same. You can go to websites, then you pick from the available template. You can do the changes that you may need to change the font type. You can change the color scheme to something else. You can change the bars to whatever you can, so you can create after you can as well launch the publication. Then you can pick the number of pages that you want. So here you can as well say okay to run those pages that you have chosen. So it depends on the version of the softwares that you're using and the power or the capability of your computer system to run those items very fast. So in here we have launched to you can still change the template in case the one you have does not suit what you want. You can still come back and pick another form of a template which may suit. You can still change everything as we have been doing. You can change the tools to that other format. You change the publication to something else. You can keep doing whatever that may really bring that feel in whatever that you want to put to your website. So upon designing or accomplishing the design process, you can as well insert pictures, you can put tables, you can put links in accordance to what you preferably want. But here our intention is to look at how to save that that publication. So right now we can wait in. Yes, we can see that our links have been changed bottom to that upper side. You can increase the size a little bit to the stuff that you want. Can keep the changes. You can keep doing this. You can that you may feel like doing. You can change everything as we have these things for a while. You can change whatever that may really make sense to you. So if this is what you could be having, so if this is our page, preferably here you can run to home, and also you can edit it to fit. You can you may design in accordance to what you may preferably want. So if we have this, so pages we can keep developing the way as many as possible. But here, our intention is to learn how to save the publication. So what do you just come into save or the file palette, then you come to save. You can as well say save as or save. Then when it reaches to save, you can just go. You have to have already a folder on computer system that is already available where all pictures and everything uh, that you have used while designing your website has been kept. So you have to make sure that all the pictures, all the links, all the photos, all the songs and tables, they are all in that same folder. So here you can keep it, give it a name as, let's say, coffee sauce. So when you're done with this, then you come to save type as. When it comes to save type as, you just have to come and look for, pick here web page filtered. So when you pick this, it means it will run as a page or a web page. So it will be running as a piece of HTML document or a piece of an item that can be opened by any web browser. That is our intention. We want our site to be able to run with any web browser. Briefly, that is it. You can say save. After saving, now we can go and look at that particular item. So we can just run and try to see that particular software. I want to run and see exactly where what could exactly be like. Lucky now.
Oh, unlucky with yes, here you can go. That coffee associate, this coffee associate file has been created here. So our main body is here. You can still come and check from inside here. So all the pictures, they are represent page now created, but we have the before what you can see our software. So here you can run with any web browser. I know that you're well versed with the web browsers where you have Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Firefox, others that are on the market or that are globally used. You can check to see whether it can open as a website. So because you have saved it well, it will give you the feel and the copy of how really websites look. We make to maximize it and we'll wait for a while. It will open as a full web page with those other pages embedded in it. Our system might be a little bit slow, but it will definitely not happen on your PC because yours could be lighter compared to this. But all in all, we are waiting for response from what we have been building. Here it is building itself. As you can see, the buffering is on. When it's done, we shall be able to see what exactly is embedded in that particular uh, software that we have. Oh, still, oh, it was loading. Yeah, it has loaded. So our site is fully loaded here, so you can uh, there we can as well be able to locate. We can reopen it back. I think this time around it won't take a lot of time. So upon loading, we had closed, but good enough we had seen how it was loading or how it has done the response, which is now here very fast. Home page, you can as well see how all the beauty of what we have saved.
So there we are. We can page showing the name and everything of the. So if you can go back to the home page, you can click to go wherever you want to go if you have really done the needful. So briefly, that is it on how to save a web publication. So we can